Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to cancel Xbox Game Pass subscription. Firstly, go to Microsoft.com and log into your Microsoft account. In the subscription section, click on View All Subscriptions. Locate the Xbox Game Pass subscription you wish to cancel, then click on Manage next to the subscription. You will have two options: cancel it or turn off recurring billing. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your cancellation or turn off recurring billing. After completing these steps, your Xbox Game Pass subscription will be successfully cancelled or set to stop renewing at the end of the current payment period. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.